Problems are part of life, and facing them with smile is art of life. Every good you do come back to you. Don't go back to the same place where you lost your smile. Life is not easy when you have an overthinking mind with a sensitive heart. Life is so beautiful. One day, 1 hour, 1 minute will never come again. So just forget all problems and be happy. Some friends become families, not by blood but by bond. Clocks show times and time show real face of peoples. A positive mind create a positive life. Be my only, be my last, be my forever. I love you so much. Don't forget to smile because your smile is very beautiful. We born, we live, we die alone. Never depend on others. The most difficult cleaning. Heart wants love, mind wants success, and soul wants peace. Believe me, trust me, self love will never hurt you. Sometimes you just have to stay silent because no words can explain what is going on in your mind and heart. Patience and silence are two most powerful energies. Your patience make you mentally strong and your silence make you emotionally strong. Life yesterday is experience, today is experiment, tomorrow is expectations. So use your experience in your expectations to achieve your expectations. Be silent in two situations: when someone can't understand your feelings through your words, and when someone can understand everything without any word. Be kind, be fair, be honest, be true, and all these things will come back to you. Always remember, what goes around comes around. No matter how good you are, if you are in a wrong place, you are worthless. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.